Hello everyone. Welcome to 5P English. Today, let's talk about banh mi. It is a very famous and delicious Vietnamese sandwich that everyone around the world loves. Look at this busy street scene. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. It is a staple breakfast for millions of people in Vietnam every morning. The vendor slices the bread open quickly. You can see the light and airy texture inside. This contrast of crispy and soft is what makes it special. Banh mi actually comes from the French baguette. However, Vietnamese people changed it over time. It became smaller, lighter, and much crispier than the original French version. Creating the perfect loaf takes a lot of skill. Bakers work through the night, kneading the dough quickly and precisely to ensure the bread is just right. It is now a unique street food. From north to south, you can find many different versions, each reflecting the local culture and unique flavors of Vietnam. Inside the bread, the magic starts with a layer of rich patty and creamy butter. These ingredients add a savory depth that is absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. Next, we add slices of meat and crunchy pickles. The combination of savory meat and tangy vegetables creates a perfect balance of textures and flavors in every bite. We finish it with fresh herbs like cilantro and a dash of sauce. It has many flavors, salty, sour, and spicy, all packed into one amazing bite. Today, banh mi is everywhere. You can find these delicious sandwiches in big cities like London, Paris, and New York, where people wait in very long lines. The word banh mi is even in the Oxford English Dictionary. It is recognized globally as a unique dish, not just another type of common sandwich anymore. International food critics and world-renowned chefs often praise it. The whole world loves it. It has won many awards for being the best street food globally today. Banh mi is the pride of Vietnam. It is often enjoyed with a cold glass of iced milk coffee, making it the perfect start to any busy day. Do you like banh mi? What is your favorite topping to put inside? We would love to know. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments. Tell 5P English in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.